Dear students and viewers, welcome to our online class of Shakul Pilot Girls High School, class 9, English second paper. Hi, I am Arman Khan, assistant teacher in English. Today I am going to discuss about degree, which is the part of changing sentence. Do you know what is degree? Degree means dimension or amount of adjective. That means comparison of adjective. There are three kinds of degree: positive, comparative and superlative. Do you know it? Okay, come to the point. Our main topics today is degree. There are three kinds of degree. That means comparison of adjective. There are three kinds. Number one, positive. What do you mean by positive? Positive means the primary position of adjective. That means normal features or normal position. Suppose Toma is a good girl. Here good is adjective and it is the primary form of adjective. And the second, comparative. What do you mean by comparative? It is the comparative form of degree. That means the higher position of degree that comprised between the two or more person or thing. Suppose Toma is better than Roma. Here Toma and Roma are two persons and better is the higher position of good. It's also form of adjective. And the last one is superlative. This is the highest position of adjective. Suppose Toma is the best girl. Here best is the highest position of adjective. So now is it clear to you? There are three kinds of degree: positive, comparative and superlative. And degree means dimension or amount of adjective. This is good is the primary position of positive degree, and it is positive form. Better is comparative form of adjective and the best is the superlative form and is the highest position of degree. So good is positive form, better is comparative form and best is superlative form. Just we have to learn and we have to, as it is a changing sentence, we have to change sentence from positive to comparative and superlative, and comparative to positive and superlative to positive and comparative. So we have to know the main features of positive, comparative and superlative. How can we know it is a positive degree or positive sentence? The main features of positive degree is no other, very few, so as or as. This is the main features of positive degree. And so as the positive belongs to between two as and as. Suppose no other girl in our class is as wise as Roma. Here is the adjective. Are you clear? What is the features of positive? No other, very few, so, as, and s. And if the positive degree start with no other, very few, there will be also as or so, as. And this is the main features of positive degree, as, also, as. Come to the pointer, comparative degree, then any other, then most other, then and then all other. That means then is the main features of comparative degree. Suppose Roma is wiser. This is the comparative form of adjective. Roma is wiser than any other girl in our class. Here wise is the primary form and wiser is comparative form. Now come to the superlative degree. The main features are the, one, of, the. And the is the main features of the superlative degree. Suppose Roma is the wisest girl in our class. Here, wiser is the highest form of adjective. Its primary form, that means positive degree. Wiser is higher form, its comparative degree, and the wisest is the highest form of adjective, and it is superlative degree. Just we have to know how we can know about positive, comparative, and superlative. This is the main features, no other, very few. It may be in the sentence or it not may be, but as, so, as, hyphen as, it must belongs to the positive sentence, positive degree. And then it is the main feature of comparative degree. Without them, comparative degree will not be. And superlative, here the, before the adjective, it must be. Without the superlative degree will not be make any sentence. Now come to the point, we have to change positive degree to comparative and superlative, then comparative to positive and superlative, after superlative to positive and comparative. Before changing this sentence, we have to memorize the main form of this sentence. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about how to change positive degree into comparative and superlative. Positive to comparative. Only one I want to discuss today, comparative. At first, no other. No other boy in our class is as tall as Johnny. It's positive degree. If we want to change into comparative, at first we have to write the last noun pronoun of the sentence, Johnny. Then you have to write verb before as, is. Then we have to write the comparative form of adjective, tall. The comparative form of adjective, taller. We have to memorize this form from positive to comparative and superlative from your book. Johnny is taller. Then you have to write then any other instead of no other. Then any other. Then you have to write the rest of the part of the sentence, boy in our class. Boy in our class. Let me discuss it again. If the positive degree start with no other, if we want to change into comparative, then you have to write at first the last noun pronoun of the sentence, Johnny. Then you have to write verb before first s, also is. Then you have to write change the comparative form of adjective, tall. The comparative form of tall is taller. Then you have to change the features of comparative degree. Instead of no other, you have to write then any other. Then you have to write the rest part of the sentence, boy in our class. Okay. Now, if the comparative positive degree start with very few girls in our class are as beautiful as Holly. This is another rule. Here the positive degree starts with very few, and very few is the plural form, so here is the verb is plural form. If we are to change this sentence into comparative, then you have to write the same way. The last noun pronoun of the sentence, Holly. After second s, Holly. Then you have to change the verb from plural to singular. The singular form of are is. Are you clear? Because very few is the plural form, so verb here is plural form. But Holly is the singular form, so the verb will be the singular form. The singular form of verb is. Then you have to write the comparative form of the adjective, beautiful. The comparative form is both beautiful. Then you have to change the features, then most other, then most other. Then you have to write the rest of the part of sentence, girls in our class. Girls in our class. Okay, I am discussing it again. At first you have to write the noun pronoun after the second s, Holly. then you have to change the verb into singular form is, then you have to write like the first rule, comparative form of adjective beautiful, more beautiful. Then you have to change the feature very few, you have to write the then most other instead of very few, because it is the form of comparative. Then the rest of the part of the sentence, girls in our class, girls in our class. Okay, if the sentence begin with just so as, suppose Roma was as healthy as Jhuma. There is no other and very few. Just the sentence belongs to here as or s. If you want to change into comparative, just you have to write the noun pronoun of the after the second s, Jhuma. Then you have to write the verb was. Listen to me carefully. If this sentence is affirmative, comparative will be negative, and this sentence is negative, the comparative will be affirmative. Just opposite. So we have to write not, because the positive degree is affirmative, so it will be negative. The comparative form of adjective healthier. Then you have to write the feature of the comparative degree, only then. Then you have to write the first noun pronoun, Roma. Okay, see it again. At first, you have to write the last noun pronoun, that means after the second s, like the same, no other, very few. You have to write last noun pronoun Jhuma. Then you have to write verb was. If this sentence, positive sentence is, positive degree is affirmative, the comparative degree will be negative, and the positive degree is negative, the comparative degree will be affirmative. Just opposite. This sentence is affirmative, so comparative degree will be negative. So we have to write not after verb. Then you have to write the comparative form of adjective healthier. Then you have to write the comparative features. Then you have to write the first noun pronoun Roma. Okay. Come to the another rule. He is more. He is as talkative as Ronnie. This is the same example, but there is the difference. Here the adjective is more syllable, more than one syllable. So the rule will not be same. You can change it into another rule. The subject will not be, or noun pronoun will not be changed. Subject and verb will be same. Just you have to change, instead of as you have to write not less, because the comparative form will be negative because it is the affirmative form and the comparative degree will be negative. And the adjective will not be changed. Negative. You have to write that instead of second s, and the last noun pronoun will not be changed. Because only for adjective, because it is more syllable than one. If the adjective is more syllable than one, then you have to change the positive degree in this way. You have to change the s, and the rest of the part will not be changed. And instead of first s, you have to write less or not less. If it's depend only the positive degree. If this sentence is negative, comparative will be affirmative, and if this sentence is negative, the comparative form will be affirmative. And instead of saying it as, you have to write then, and the rest of the part will be the same, not be changed. Okay. No more today. Try to save from coronavirus. Goodbye.